Hello and welcome to another episode of Newsworthy Minute. Today with my guests, Max and Prabu, AI experts at NetApp. And they wrote a white paper sharing information about AI on Azure NetApp Files. Hi, Max. Hi, Prabu.
Hey, Julia.
Hi.
Great you're here. So thanks for coming. Maybe just a quick introduction from you two. Max, would you like to start?
Sure. My name is Max Amende. I'm a technical solutions specialist for AI and ML out of Munich, Germany, office of NetApp.
Myself, Prabu Arjunan. I work as a cloud solution architect focused on AI and ML for the cloud business group at NetApp.
Thanks a lot. Prabu, I'll stay with you. So I have my first question that I want to ask. We're talking about AI and Azure NetApp Files. So why would customers use Azure NetApp Files for this? What are the benefits of Azure NetApp Files?
Yeah, thanks, Julia. To answer the question, I want to give a brief introduction to Azure NetApp Files. Azure NetApp Files is an enterprise class, high performance metered file storage service. The customers use this file storage service to get high performance based on the performance level requirements. They have an option to adjust the performance levels based on the requirement, and Azure NetApp Files support many workload types, and it is highly available by design. It also supports the cross-region replication, which is available today, and it is available across many regions around the world. Please check out the Azure NetApp Files link given as part of this video blog. And to answer Julia's question here, Azure NetApp Files, which is providing a high performance for the workloads by integrating with Azure Machine Learning Studio. Uh, the customers will able to get the high performance for their AI workloads. Um, uh, the Azure Machine Learning Studio is part of the Azure portal, and Azure NetApp Files is also part of the Azure portal. So it's efficient and easy for data scientists to integrate and get the maximum performance for their AI training tasks.
Okay, thanks. So with those two main benefits as well, I'm curious to hear like how this is happening, like what use cases you actually elaborated in your white paper. Max, would you like to take that one?
Sure. So while writing the white paper and the blog article, we really saw that there are two distinctive ways of using ANF together with Azure Machine Learning Studio. The first one is really the one which Prabu mainly described currently. We can easily integrate the ANF into the Azure Machine Learning Studio notebooks as basically the working storage, meaning you can benefit from reliability, scalability, and all the performance advantages of ANF while working from basically the standard data scientist's working environment. Basically, Jupyter Notebooks and Jupyter Labs just modified to make it even better and more easy from Microsoft. I think that's a really big advantage for data scientists. They can work in their working environment they are used to, but with advantages of Microsoft and NetApp combined. The second use case, which we really saw, is more regarding training huge models. That might be, for example, natural language processing models or models in the field of image recognition or autonomous driving. For those workloads, you really need a lot of data. And training the models means you need not only storing a lot of data, but also having quick and fast access to the data. Thus, we really saw there's a big use case for ANF to use ANF as a storage to forward to the GPUs, to feed the GPUs. And in our white paper, we actually show how that's in an easy and efficient way possible.
Thanks a lot. That's a great insight. Anything to comment on, Prabu? Do you want to add something?
Oh yeah, sure. Max captured very well the two different use cases what we can use with by integrating Azure Machine Learning Studio and ANF. I want to add that by creating a Jupyter notebook or using as a high performance storage for AI model training task in Azure Machine Learning Studio with attached PVC on Azure NetApp file volumes, the user can take advantage of the data protection features which comes with Azure NetApp Files. And also, the integration of these two services help the data scientist quickly create clones of data sets that they can format, normalize, and manipulate while preserving the original gold source data set. So I think that's quite a summary, that I want to give of the integration of these two services, which can be quickly and easily used by the data scientist.
Thanks a lot. I'm sure this can be very interesting for listeners, as those use cases are very needed to be covered in the cloud. And I'm glad that we keep developing solutions for this, especially like with such a very active team that we have at NetApp with you, Max, and Prabu. Yeah, and also I want to link to the white paper attached to this video later. Plus, yeah, at the end of every of my videos, I always ask about a recommendation, like a book, podcast, blog, or something of this type. Like, if you have anything to share with our listeners, please go ahead.
I really would like to promote the NVIDIA GTC from September 19th till September 22nd. But make sure not only to check out Jensen Huang's keynote, but also check out the awesome NetApp presentations, which are prepared already and which I'm sure you're going to love to watch and love to hear.
Thank you so much. I will also send out a link for this. And thanks for listening, everyone. Check out Max and Prabu's white paper, link to this video, have a look at their profiles, ask them questions, keep in touch with us, and see you next time.